Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. As I briefly said, this is Heritage Day, and I'm sure we're all very fond of our different cultural and linguistic histories, and that's the past histories, and today is obviously the now, and we can celebrate all together through this event. And I'd like to congratulate the South Coast Herald in supporting this initiative. Port Shepstone is in need of profiling itself for tourism, and events is an integral part of that. So we at South Coast Tourism have provided some of the resources to hopefully grow this into an annual event where people can enjoy a multiplicity of activities, retail, etc. And just walking through the marquee on the far side, what was seriously encouraging was the number of different types of stands that are there, from people as far away as Kulu. I saw a stand, some of our cultural artifacts, which seems to enhance the merits of our culture down here. Beach culture is also another part of our culture, funny enough, and in tourism, we see in tourism beach culture being very much part of ourselves, so much so that the province has now earmarked beach tourism as one of its focal points. So let's hope this event continues to grow in that vein, and with your support and enjoyment of the day, please tell people that these sort of things are taking place in Port Shepstone, and may you have a wonderful day with family and friends and savour the various types of entertainment that you have. Thank you very much, and enjoy your paradise. Thank you.